Yo, what's going on, you guys? It is Margie, aka Vape Tech Unboxed, and in today's video we're gonna be taking a look at a couple of Tudia cases. But before I begin the video, I do want to say I hope you're all having a fantastic day or night wherever you are, and I love you guys, but you already know that, so let's jump straight into the video. Bam, here they are. So Tudia was nice enough to send these over, so big shout out to Tudia, so that way we could take a look at them here on the channel. And yeah, we got a couple of them. So they sent out their Merge series, and they also sent out the Lin series. L-I-N-N, line. They sent out these, so we're gonna take a look at them. Let's get straight into it. Cool thing about Tudia is that they're inexpensive cases. Let's go ahead and check out the Merge case first. Now this one is going to run you $8.90. You can find it on Amazon if you want to pick up any of these cases. The links are gonna be down below in the description. So here we go. We've got the Tudia paper packaging. Very easy to get to. All you gotta do is not have slippery fingers. Open it up just like this. And boom, there you have it. Get that out of here. So here we go. This is the Merge case. I've showed you guys this one before. This is a nice solid case. It is a two-part case. You could take it apart just like that. Really thin, but it does the job. Let's go ahead and throw in the iPhone XS Max, and there we go. This is what it looks like on the phone. Now this one looks really clean. I like the way this one looks. It's just black on black, is so clean and so fresh. I definitely do like it. Now the cool thing with this case, which I mean, I like all cases. I really don't judge. You know, I like the thicker cases, I like the medium cases, the grippier cases, the stronger cases, the thinner cases. But cool thing with Tudia is the fact that this is literally under $10. Like, it's so inexpensive, and look at the protection you get. So you do get a little bezel around that front screen, and I mean, it's not little, it's pretty big. So it's definitely going to protect you for your screen drops, that's for sure. And you also get a bezel around your camera to protect against, you know, camera drops, so you're not busting up those lenses or anything like that. There's been some comments floating around my previous videos about slippery phones. So I mean, the back of this case is slippery. It is slippery. They do add some texture though to the sides. I don't know if you guys can pick that up on camera, but you see these textures here? That does help with the grip of the case. And honestly, when you're holding it like this, it does not feel slippery. It feels like you got a good grip. However, if you don't like the backs of cases that are sleek like this, then it's probably not gonna be for you, because it's a sleek back filling kind of case. There's no like texture to it. It's like a matte texture. I don't think you're gonna be getting fingerprints on it, which is really nice. Let's go ahead and check out the buttons. Buttons are very clicky. Nice feel to those. It does feel really good in the hand. Honestly, it's really thin, so it fits in your hand really nicely, especially for this giant phone. For the Max phone, it's already big. You don't want too bulky of a case, and this one's nice. This one's rounded at the edges. I like it. You got a little company branding here. It says Tudia. Your cutouts are all accurate. I mean, looks good. They did the even cutouts here. They didn't do one shorter than the other. You know, they went with the balanced look, which I don't think looks bad. Mute rocker is really easy to get to. There we go. Very easy to get to. And you do get that screen protection. So under $10, you do get a nice screen protection. And I do have a screen protector on this phone, and it's a pretty hefty protection there. Let's go ahead and try out wireless charging real quick. And let's turn this on. And of course, wireless charging does work as expected. So yeah, this is the Tudia Merge. Actually, out of the lineup, this is definitely has been my favorite for previous phones. I just like this case. You have a nice little texture to it on the inside. You got Tudia Merge on the inside here. They give this little padding for some shock absorption. And it's a solid case. It's a solid, thin, but yet protective case, and I like it. And it's under $10. You can't go wrong. You really can't go wrong. So here we go. We've got the Tudia Lin case for the Apple iPhone XS Max. Says ultra slim, lightweight, raised lip protection. All right, let's get this one out and let's try out the lid. Now, if you want to pick up the lid for yourself, this one's gonna run you $7.90. So it's $1 cheaper than the Merge. Nothing else in there. We're just gonna get that out of here. And here is the lid series. And there it says it right inside the case. I don't know why it's not picking it up. There you go. Right inside the case, Tudia lid. You do get nice little texture padding on the inside for that shock absorption. Now the difference between this case and the Merge case is this one is your flexible TPU case. This one's gonna be your hard shell plus TPU case. Like I said before, it's a 2-part case, but it does have that extra protection with the hard shell. Now for $1 cheaper, if you wanna be just really minimal, you don't wanna go all out, you don't need that full protection, you can get this one right here for $1 less. And it really, I mean, it's a good looking case. It has this carbon fiber sticker like pattern here on the top and at the bottom. You get this nice texture around the sides for grip. Clean back, little company branding, not very much. It's gonna give you minimal protection, but look how good it looks on the actual phone. Now that looks really, really good. If you're worrying about it slipping out of your hands, it's very thin, and the texture that they add to the sides is enough for grip. It's not gonna be sliding out of your hands. Again, the back is a matte texture, yes, but they do add enough to the sides for grip. So I'm holding it right now and it feels really good in my hand. I don't feel like it's gonna slip and slide out of my hand. Yes, I cannot one-hand text with it, so it looks kind of awkward because I just cannot one-handed text with this giant phone. It's too big for my hands. But in the case, it doesn't add any extra bulk to my phone, so it's not any harder to hold, and I feel like I got a good grip on it like this. I don't feel like it's gonna be slipping out of my hands. It just feels really good. I like the thinness of it, and if you're wondering, the Merge looks maybe a little bit thicker, but not by much. They're both very thin. This one's just gonna hug your phone though. This one's gonna help with some scratch protection maybe. Not too much drop protection. It might be able to handle a little bit, considering it does have a lip around the front screen and camera. So if you take a look there, it does raise over my screen protector. It's not by much, and it's not as much as the Merge, but it does raise a little bit over. So you want to be careful if you drop it on the front screen. But if you just like to place your phone down, you don't have to worry about it sliding all over the table. You don't have to worry about scratching up your screen. You should be okay. Just keep in mind, it's not a heavy duty case. Now for your camera lenses, you do get a bezel around that camera lens, and it goes fairly over, so you know, you're not gonna have to worry about scratching up your lenses. They're definitely gonna be all right. Your cutouts, again, they went with the even look, so cutouts look pretty good there. Lightning connector cutout is pretty big. You can reach your mute rocker cutout just fine. Really nice and easy. Let's check out the buttons. Now the buttons on these cases are really nice. They're very, very clicky. You get a nice clicky response with them. I truly like these buttons a lot. I really like these kinds of cases too for casual days. It just feels really good in your phone. It's very light, so you don't have any weight added to your phone. So I mean, it's like having nothing at all, except you do add a little texture and a little bit of peace of mind knowing that it can save your phone from minor drops for sure. So yeah, this one looks nice. I like the carbon fiber sticker, and I do like the grippy like design they put on the sides. It just looks good. It feels really good in hand. It's very lightweight, so I like it. I really like this one. I like this one a little bit more because it does add some drop protection. It's a solid case. This one's a solid case. This one has always been my favorite out of the Tudia lineup. But let's go ahead and try out wireless charging real quick. And of course, wireless charging works as expected. But there you go. These are the Tudia cases that Tudia sent out. So yeah, big shout out to them. Also, big shout out to you guys for watching these videos. I appreciate all of you guys. So yeah, you guys all pretty much rock. Before I start rambling, This is the end of the video, you guys. Thank you all for watching. Again, if you want to pick these cases up for yourself, the links are going to be down below in the description along with my social media links. So yeah, so if you guys want to follow me on any of those social medias, all of the links are going to be down below for you guys. And I want to know what you guys think about these cases, so make sure you guys drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about these cases. Also, if you have any case suggestions or cases you want to see me pick up before you buy, make sure you drop that down below as well. I love each and every single one of you guys. Y'all better stay freaking dope, and I will catch you in the next video.